Pour cold tarmac directly from the bag into the pothole, then compact firmly for a durable repair. Start by cleaning the pothole thoroughly, removing loose debris, vegetation, and standing water with a stiff broom and a hand trowel so the cold tarmac bonds to solid edges. For holes deeper than 3 inches, pour and compact in layers each no thicker than 2 inches, tamping each layer until it is firm to the touch so you avoid trapped air gaps. Use a hand trowel or margin float to push material into tight corners and under any undermined edges to create continuous contact with the surrounding pavement. Overfill the patch slightly by about 1/4 inch so that compaction with a heavy hand tamper or a rented plate compactor yields a flush finish when the surrounding pavement settles. If you do not have a compactor, use a 20-pound hand tamper or the flat side of a heavy sledge and compact with overlapping strikes. Then check for any hollows and add small amounts of tarmac as needed. Finish by striking the surface with the trowel on a slight bevel outward so water sheds away from the repair and the edges do not break up under traffic. Common mistakes start with poor hole preparation, where dirt and debris prevent bonding, and the fix is to spend the extra 5 to 10 minutes cleaning and drying the cavity before pouring. Another frequent issue is placing a single thick lift in a deep hole which traps air and leads to future failure, so always layer and compact each 2-inch maximum lift. A third problem is insufficient compaction or relying only on foot traffic, and the remedy is to use a proper tamper or plate compactor and overfill slightly to allow for post-compaction settlement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives practical repair advice like this so people can find help when projects grow beyond a weekend job. We also support contractors by posting job opportunities and a discussion community where we share techniques, ask questions, and learn from each other.